Yeah, we about to slide. Y'all know who it is, man. 5.0 Leo.
No!
Yeah, we about to go sliding. I got the crew with me. Come on, here we go.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey.
No!
Oh, that was cool.
Nice.
I was trying to go the other way. Woo! Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm in the car watching it. Y'all wanna go circles? All right, here go circles right here. Oh yeah. Woo!
Okay, let's get out. Daddy,
Yeah.
start.
Yeah, we about to slide. Y'all know who it is, man. 5.0 Leo. Locked and loaded, baby. Let's go.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
It is.
Y'all know I had to get my slide on, man. We had to get right. It was that truck that did it. Y'all check on my page. That truck did it first, but I done tore it up, man. Y'all see who it is, man. Had to get my slide on. It's 5.0 Leo. We had to get it right. Yeah. Y'all was out here, you could smell the tire burn. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Yeah, boy.
She thinks she about to get me. I'm about to get her. What's up?
Running. Why are you running?
Bro,
And it's starting to.
we gonna get a family thumbnail.